Of course, I gotta start with a new map before anything.
Hello there.
Thanks, as always, for the intro, Dr. Seeker. I'm checking out the Christmas decorations here at Animal Kingdom today, and not Grant Seeker, but Dr. Grant kind of has given me some of the inspiration for what I'm wearing today with the glasses and the hat. And of course I'll be going to Dino Land because they have some of the best Christmas decorations I've heard. So, and of course I hear Pandora has some Christmas decorations, so I'm looking to check those out too. So let's go see all the Christmas here at Animal Kingdom. Whew. Now the park does open at 9, so this is a true rope drop. And that crowd waiting to get back into Pandora is still crazy deep. So that's not something I'm going to be doing because I ride Flight of Passage with the Fast Pass all the time, and being a local I have that luxury, so I'll be avoiding that rope drop crowd to be sure. Now compare that rope drop crowd to the rope drop crowd for Dinosaur in Dino Land USA. Quite the stark comparison. I'm definitely gonna come back and see it all at night, but I like the Christmas decorations here in Dino Land. I'll be sure to come back at night, but I like it. Heck yes. Santasaurus. Love it. I will say that is a missed opportunity right there to not put a Santa hat on top of this one. He could be like Santa Gertie's cousin or something. They should have done that. Missed opportunity. Am I the only one that actually misses the Tarzan Rocks show that used to be right here? I don't know, I might be, but I know I'm not the only one that loves Everest. And it's not a trip unless I do solo, well I say solo because I'm used to Galaxy's Edge, but single rider on Everest like 10 times. So, gotta complete my trip here early in the morning with like at least 8 or 9 times going single rider on Everest. I love how Kevin just roams around Discovery Island. Like, that's pretty cool. I think she was making her way back to the Great Bird Adventure back in Asia, but it's still cool to see her just roaming around and interacting with guests.
Wait, what if they fall? I want to see what happens if they fall. Oh, I think you heard me.
Okay, I gotta make it back to the Satu'li Canteen and the Wind Traders section back there to see what Pandoran type Christmas decorations they may have. I mean, it's okay. It's not as like over the top as I expected. It is over the top, but I mean like not as wild as I expected. It's actually a little more understated, if that makes any sense. So, I'm okay with it. I'm okay with it. It's 225 minutes right now for Flight of Passage. They're actually having to route the queue through the land. I'm getting like opening day of Galaxy's Edge flashbacks. So I won't be doing that today unless I can snag one of those 3 p.m. fast passes. That's so cool. That's so cool. I didn't think I was gonna actually like those, and I actively tried to avoid spoilers, if you want to call it like that, on Twitter and stuff. So I didn't think I was gonna like them, but I really like those. And that's something that only comes off in person, at least in my opinion. That's the kind of thing you gotta see in person and just judge for yourself. And I gotta find the penguins. I haven't found the penguins yet. Those are supposedly the cutest, so I gotta find the penguins quick. But if I don't, I'll come back and see them. But what I did see, I really liked. It's still pretty cool. Let's go find those penguins though. I love them. They're pretty cute. Okay, can we get a Porg version of that for Galaxy's Edge, please? I would completely be okay with that. Yes, please. Look at that. Alright, so I think that's going to do it for the morning here in Animal Kingdom. I'm going to make today a two-parter. I'm going to spend the rest of my day on Batuu, basically, like always. I'm going to have to come back to see Dino Land at night. That's going to be awesome. So, all in all, like, Animal Kingdom gets it. I think they get Christmas. They know what they're doing. I was skeptical at first, but now seeing it in person, I like it. Can't wait to see Dino Land at night later, but gonna go on to part 2, going to Hollywood Studios. So, until next time, I'll see you all a little later.